If you're stuck on 7.6 and not sure if you're going to upgrade to MAS 9, or if you were on SAS and you got the technical upgrade to MAS and you're going, what am I going to do with this? I've got good news for you. In just a couple weeks, we're all going to be in Phoenix at Maximo World 2025, August 4th to 7th, hosted by Reliability Web. This is where you need to be. This is where you're going to get into the deep, thought-provoking conversations with the IBMers who are the product managers and experts, with the partners like myself who have been in the space for 30 years, with the other users in your industry who have been working on this and solving some of these problems themselves. We're all going to be there at the same time to do nothing but talk about this and how we are going to make our enterprises better by leveraging what the application suite has in it, leveraging the AI, and bringing all of that together to help us become more reliable in our asset management practices. So look forward to seeing you there. August 4th to 7th in Phoenix, Reliability Web hosted, Maximo World 2025. Let's go. Get ready with Banetti.